earlier today, if I zoom in right here on work, which is Slack, I bought as the yellow line crossed purple line earlier in the morning. And as you can see, it did go up. I didn't quite get the top because the SPY started to sell off as Amazon started to sell off. However, I did get down here. So when I sold, I actually made $20 on 2 contracts. So it wasn't a whole lot of profit, but it was profit. As far as Boston Scientific, I'll pull up that graph for you. Boston Scientific actually broke the trend line. It didn't actually hold that bull flag consolidation, so really glad I didn't have too much in there. So we went ahead and sold that at a loss. American Airlines, I'm going to be holding this one. It looks like it is bouncing a little bit. It's not too good as far as the stock price, but as you can see, the yellow line hasn't touched the purple line. It's still going up towards gravity. They're in the midst of talking about a government loan for American Airlines. So if that does happen, you could see a bounce. I still have that $11 call, which expires next week. So I'm just hoping for the same bounce that happened on 428 to 51, somewhere around there. If it doesn't hit that, I'm willing to sell at a loss. I'm not too worried about that. Just taking a look right here at this graph of SPY. The SPY is having its sell-off, which makes sense. It's a correction for being overbought way too fast. So as that's happening, I saw on the 15-minute, the VIX did cross that yellow line. I actually bought the VIX at the same time I bought work at the very beginning of the day, so I thought I was actually going to lose money. But since I bet it on both sides, there's really, it either goes one way or the other. So the whole day it pretty much went sideways. The market finally decided to have it sell off. VIX crossed over here, so my 2 contracts on the VIX expire this Friday. They were $35 calls. It looks like it's at 35.80 right now. 30-minute did cross the yellow line, so it's going to exponentially rise. The yellow line is getting pulled towards gravity, which is 37.18, so that's going to be really, really good. I really hope there's going to be an overnight gap up. If it does go to 37, 38, or 39, there's going to be a really big chance that I'm going to get about 3 or 4x, maybe even 5x from this. This is the portfolio right now, as you can see. I got VIX at 148, and I got 2 of the contracts right here. They're at $204 right now. So earlier in the day, I went down. I was down to like $100. Went sideways pretty much all day. And as I got the VIX started to cross the yellow line and the purple line, it started going up. So as the market's crashing, I'm making a ton of profit. Currently, I'm up 61.96 from the open of the day. So if everything goes through tomorrow, the 148 times 2 minus 2, so about 298 initial investment, you're going to see it go to maybe 4x. So let's say it's $300, $4x, and it's going to go to 1.2 grand. I also have 315 cash flow, so it goes 1.2 grand. I'll have about 1.5. If it does a 5x, it'll be 1.5 grand plus the 315. I'll be pretty close to 18. Now, if it does go to 38 or 39, then we're looking at some serious gains. It's going to be anywhere in the ballpark of like, I want to say 8x. If it shoots up to 40, I can probably get a 10x from it. 10x and getting 3 grand from a 300. That's going to be insane. So hopefully you guys stay tuned. Check out the video, hit the like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, just send a comment down below, and stay tuned for tomorrow. Lives.